Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying support. Make sure your phone has Bluetooth tethering and active mobile data. Once confirmed, enable Bluetooth and set the phone to visible so the client can find it. On the client device, scan for nearby Bluetooth devices and select your phone. Accept the pairing PIN on both devices. Once paired, return to the phone settings and enable Bluetooth tethering or internet sharing so the client can request access to the phone's data connection. Once paired, navigate to the client's network settings and choose the Bluetooth network or PAN option to start the connection. Make sure the paired phone is selected as the network gateway and initiate the connect action. This causes the client to request an IP address from the phone. If DHCP fails, enter an appropriate static IP, gateway, and DNS. However, DHCP is preferred for simplicity. While connecting, monitor the phone's tethering status to confirm its sharing data, and watch for any permission prompts you must accept. To finish, test the link by loading a web page or pinging a reliable address to confirm packets flow through the Bluetooth PAN. If connectivity stalls, turn Bluetooth off and on, toggle Bluetooth tethering on the phone, then reconnect the client. Make sure battery saver, data saver, or carrier restrictions aren't blocking tethering. Adjust APN or plan settings if needed. If everything else fails, restart both devices and repair. Often re-establishing the PAN clears authentication or routing hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.